Hello everyone, my name is Dhruv. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I know it has been so long that I haven't updated any video, and there was no update on my YouTube channel as I became so busy in my job. As I've already told in my other videos कि भाई नौकरी के साथ में अगर आप कुछ और करना चाहते हो तो it becomes very difficult. But it is my hobby to make videos, but कुछ ऐसा हुआ मेरी लाइफ में या चीज़ें ऐसी चल रही थी। ठीक है, कोई ट्रेजेडी नहीं हुई, इट वाज नथिंग लाइक दैट, कुछ नेगेटिव हुआ हो, एवरीथिंग वाज गुड। सो आई बिकेम सो बिजी कि मेरे को बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था, नॉट इवन फॉर माई सेल्फ। सो व्हाई इट हैपेंड एंड हाउ वाज माई जर्नी, एंड इट हैज़ बीन मोर देन 1 year दैट आई हैवंट अपलोडेड एनी वीडियो। तो सारी चीज़ें आपको बताऊंगा। सो ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। Yeah, so guys, before starting the video, if you want to know that from where I have done my MBA, and अगर आपको भी करना है MBA along with your job, या फिर just after completing your graduation you are thinking that आपको job join करनी है, but you have to complete your MBA as well along with that. तो एक बार आप मुझे कमेंट में लिखिए और बताइए कि यू वांट टू नो अबाउट दैट, देन आई विल मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो दैट कैसे एमबीए करना है, कहाँ से करना है, सो दैट आई कैन गिव यू द फुल ओवरव्यू अबाउट दैट। सो सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो नाउ। पहले तो शुरुआत से शुरुआत करते हैं अबाउट माई जर्नी, क्योंकि जिस चैनल मैंने बनाया हुआ है इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट माई जर्नी एंड हाउ आफ्टर डूइंग द होटल मैनेजमेंट आई एम कोपिंग अप विद द सिचुएशंस एंड एवरीथिंग। तो शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले मैंने अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करी थी फ्रॉम होटल मैनेजमेंट कॉलेज IHM लखनऊ। मैंने अपनी ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट करी इन हॉस्पिटैलिटी एंड होटल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन। सो इट वाज माय ड्रीम टू गो अब्रॉड, आउट ऑफ इंडिया जाना है, होटल में काम करना है, खूब सारा पैसा कमाना है, एंड देन आई हैव टू कम बैक टू इंडिया। सो इट वाज ऑल अबाउट माय जर्नी। फिर आई डिड माय इंटर्नशिप। इफ़ यू वांट टू वॉच द वीडियो, इंटर्नशिप पे एक वीडियो मैंने डाल रखी है ऑलरेडी कि होटल मैनेजमेंट में इंटर्नशिप कैसी होती है, हाउ इट इज़ प्रैक्टिकली कैसे क्या होती है चीज़ें। सो देयर इज़ अ वीडियो, so you can go there on my channel and watch it. Then after 3 months of training I realized that okay, I can think something better. Then the COVID came in 2020, and till 2022 when I graduated from my college तब तक भी उसका impact था. So what happened then? Hotels were not hiring at that time. There were a few other options like USR, and you can say what you can say, retail industry. So when companies came to my college for replacement, so we all were, kind of scared also that, oh my God, hotels are not coming much to the college and we are going in the retail sector or QSR or in the facility management also. Then I sat in the interview of Reliance Retails. I got management trainee program from there. Then it was the start of my career in retail industry. So forget about hotel industry now because I jumped into what? Retail industry. So सब सोचते हैं ठीक है यार, होटल से बाहर निकले, 16 घंटे की शिफ्ट नहीं करनी है, ठीक है, 6 लाख रुपए लगाए, जो भी कॉलेज की फीस में हमने लगाया। आफ्टर दैट एक अच्छा पैकेज मिल गया, अच्छी जॉब मिल गई, अपना कोई लंबी शिफ्ट नहीं, 16 घंटे काम नहीं करना, कुछ भी नहीं। देन चलता रहा सारा कुछ रिलायंस में, 1 साल 1.5 साल आई वर्क देयर। देन रिलायंस रिटेल्स की एक खास बात बताता हूँ आपको, ठीक है। रिलायंस आपको ऐसी ऐसी जगह पे भेजेगी कि यू विल रियलाइज कि होटल की लाइफ ही अच्छी थी यार, कम से कम अच्छी जगह पे तो भेजते थे। तो मुझे एक छोटे से गांव में भेजा गया था, ठीक है, स्मार्ट रिलायंस स्मार्ट पॉइंट खुला हुआ था वहाँ पे। देन मैंने 1 साल 1.5 साल जैसे तैसे चीज़ें करी, बिताई, मुझसे लाइक नहीं हो पा रही थी चीज़ें वहाँ पे मैनेज। Then what I did, I tried in other companies. There was an application, Naukri.com. I was applying on that application as well. Then I got opportunity in Cinepolis. सिनेपोलिस अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो इट इज़ एन मैक्सिकन ब्रांड, जहाँ पे इट इज़ अ मूवी थिएटर। तो वहाँ पे आई वर्कड एज एन असिस्टेंट ऑपरेशंस एंड ट्रेनिंग मैनेजर फॉर 1.5 year. Then I thought that yes, I have to go into retails again, because in cinema industry what happens, आपके पास एक आप बंद हो जाते हो एक चीज में। जब आप सिनेमा इंडस्ट्री में हो तो यू कैन ओनली गो इनटू सिनेमाज या फिर क्यूएसआर में। क्यूएसआर एंड सिनेमा ने मारा मारी बहुत है। मारा मारी का मतलब है कि इट इज प्योर सर्विस, फूड सर्विस। सो मेरे दिमाग में कहीं ना कहीं ये तो आ गया था यार कि फूड से रिलेटेड चीज़ों में नहीं रहना है, थोड़ा सा बाहर निकलना। Then I again started, hunting for jobs. Then I started looking at LinkedIn, with some of my friends or working with other companies in retail industry or in some other companies. So, one of my friend was working with Shoppers Stop. So he referred me, and then I gave the interview, one round, two round, the three round. After that, I got the opportunity to work with Shoppers Stop. So I had a very big image of Shoppers Stop. People have, because it is a really big company. So, you know, but still, somewhere in my mind, it was going on. I have to go, I have to work in a company which is international or multinational company, which is in different countries. So something like that was going on in my mind. But I had the opportunity, only one opportunity, that was Shoppers Stop. I joined that. Then, it has been 1.5 years, like 1.5, you can say. So I'm working in Shoppers Stop as a department manager right now. So you will see I was working as a store manager in Reliance Retails, but it was a small format. Then I was not handling much business. Like the business was very small, on a very small scale. So then I jumped into Cinepolis. Then there the team size got bigger, the business size got bigger. Then again I got opportunity in Shopper Stop. Then I'll tell you, like I was handling a business approximately more than 20 CR in Shopper Stop. So you know okay, it was not very hectic, but yes, okay. देन 1 साल, एक 1.5 साल मैंने वहाँ पे किया। देन अगेन आई स्टार्टेड सर्चिंग फॉर जॉब्स। यू गाइस विल थिंक कि भाई इतनी जल्दी जल्दी क्यों जॉब स्विच कर रहा है, कहीं पे 2 साल दे, 3 साल दे, 4 साल दे। बट मेरी ऑब्जर्वेशन के हिसाब से जो मैंने रियलाइज़ करा कि बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम इनिशियली अगर आप दोगे किसी कंपनी में, देन यू विल गेट स्टक और यू विल फील स्टक। because yes, growth opportunities hoti hai, you can get promoted, but the thing is initially what you need is money. So I will tell you that if you are working in a company, it is my observation only, if you want to work for more, you're thinking something else, you can do that. But yes, as an elder or whatever you can say, as a brother, I would say that if you are in the initially in your career, if you're working 1.5 year in a company, you're learning things from there, getting exposure from different industries, from different companies, then jumping into other company or industry, then you are getting rich experience of that company and their culture. You are getting to know about different kind of processes, different kind of people you are meeting, and getting into different cultures of the company. So you're getting the exposure. So I got the exposure from Reliance. I got the exposure from industrial training as well. Then I got into Mexican company. It was Cinepolis. It was cinema. Then I went into again the retail industry, the shopper stop. Then there also I learned a lot of things about inventory management, the core KPIs which a retailer needs. So I learned all of those, how to drive that, how to drive the business, how to handle a manpower of more than 60, 70 people. So a person like me, I'm just 24, and I have learned so many things like these, you know, 60, 70 people, I would say. Okay. So see, it is all about reality, because neither I'm going to give something to you, neither I'm getting anything from you. So it is all about experience which I'm sharing. Then what happened? I, joined. Now I just got the opportunity from the H&M. So H&M, you guys must have heard, it is a fast fashion brand. So I got opportunity to work with H&M. So recently, just this month only, I have resigned from Shopper Stop and got the opportunity to work with H&M. I got the offer letter. I got a good salary hike on this. I'm going on the same position as a department manager only. But yes, there are opportunities to grow up. Like after 1 year, you will be eligible to, uh, you know, you know, apply for the promotion and to become a store manager. Either you can go into internal job transfers, you can get into HR, you can get into training department, and so on. So there are so many opportunities in all the companies. But yes, if you are going to work with any international brand like H&M, Zara, Uniqlo, these are the Decathlon. So these are the companies which gives you exposure, international exposure. They are giving you 2 weekly offs, not like other Indian brands which are just giving one off. And yes, there are different kind of challenges as well. But yes, so this is the time, this is the age to get the exposure. So I would say you should you should go in the like industry, you should explore more. See, initially, if you will be giving your 4 years, 5 years, 6 years in one company only, yes, you will be getting the position. But still, the person who is earning more than you and you are just holding the position, that is not going to work. Simultaneously, you'll have to earn more, you'll have to get promoted as well. So everything you'll have to keep in your mind. So these are the things I will tell you. So along with the experience, salary is also important, position is also important. So this is all from my side as of now. So I will be telling you, and maybe I'll be making vlogs as well. Let's see if I'll be getting time there in H&M or not, because here in Shopper Stop I was so busy, so hell busy. I was not getting even a single minute to uh, make a video. Whatever time I was getting, I was giving it to my family, and I was spending that time to cook maybe or to eat and then sleep. Nothing else. And so this is what is happening right now. But yes, things, job is hectic, business is hectic, everything is hectic. But you know, if you have the patience, you have the ability to learn things, you will be going somewhere to learn. And so या कर लोगे यार, धीरे धीरे चीज़ें बढ़ेंगी आगे, क्योंकि शुरुआत में एक बार में मैंने पहले ही बोला हुआ है कि साल भर में 2 साल में कुछ नहीं मिलता, चीज़ों में टाइम लगता है. Either you're working in a private job, you're preparing for government job, whatever you're doing, it takes time, and good things takes time. That's all from my side right now. Thank you so much, guys.